Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Kiss Falscara Starter Kit, the lengthening lash extensions. It comes with your tweezers and the seal and bond. You're going to start off with the bond and brush it into the natural lashes. Then you just want to pop one of the lash extensions off of the tray and pop it onto the lash. You want to apply it underneath the lash line. It's pretty easy. The bond is really sticky, so the lashes kind of adhere to it as soon as you kind of put the lash extension on the lashes. You want to go in with the seal and apply that to the lashes and the extensions together. Lightweight, and it feels like nothing's on my eyelashes, like nothing's on my lashes. They feel very like, I don't know, super lightweight though. I don't know, I like them. Then look how I like how they're underneath the lash line. The only thing I don't like is the bond. It makes the lashes like really sticky. So like they kind of like are like start sticking to each other like the natural lashes.